If Campi Flegrei erupted, the danger wouldn't come from one direction. It would come from four, all within minutes. And nearly 2 million people live close enough to face every one of them at once. Nearly 2 million people live within just 15 kilometers of Campi Flegrei's center, closer to a supervolcano than almost anyone else on Earth lives to theirs. If it erupted, the danger wouldn't come from one direction. It would come from several, all at once. The most immediate threat is a pyroclastic current, a fast-moving surge of superheated gas, ash, and rock racing outward from the vent. In a large eruption, researchers estimate around 200,000 people could be directly exposed to these flows, with the danger zone potentially reaching into the edge of Naples itself. Beyond the flows, ash would spread far wider. Modeling for a moderate eruption suggests roughly 2.5 million people could be exposed to at least 2 centimeters of ashfall, enough to disrupt transport, damage infrastructure, and choke agriculture. In the worst-hit areas closer to the vent, deposits of 25 centimeters or more could cause roofs to collapse under the sheer weight. Here's a threat unique to Campi Flegrei. Much of the caldera lies underwater, in the Bay of Pozzuoli. If an eruption happened offshore, it could trigger a tsunami. In the most extreme modeled scenarios, waves over 30 meters high near Pozzuoli itself, and smaller but still damaging waves reaching further round the Bay of Naples. What makes Campi Flegrei different from a remote volcano isn't the eruption itself, it's what surrounds it. This is one of the most densely populated volcanic regions on the planet. In the most extreme historical eruption scenarios, the impact zone could extend across the whole Campanian plain and into Naples, potentially affecting up to 3 million people. It's worth being clear, none of this means an eruption is coming soon. Campi Flegrei's last eruption was in 1538, and scientists monitoring it today stress that ground unrest doesn't automatically lead to an eruption. What these studies do is something different. They help authorities plan evacuation routes and emergency response in advance, precisely so a rare event doesn't become an unprepared disaster. If you want to understand how the world's landscapes were really made, subscribe for more Landform Explainer videos.